Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you about the looks block in Scratch. So the looks block are the block by which we can change or set the looks of a sprite. I have taken a new sprite here which is Devin. Here it is written Devin. So the first block is say hello for 2 seconds. We can change this message and also this time. I will show you how to use this. So I have attached this when green flag clicked block here. So I will click on this green flag. It will say hello for 2 seconds. I will change this time to 5. Now this is saying hello for 5 seconds. We can also change it. I will type hi. Then it's saying hi. The next block is say hello. So this block, when I will join here, it will say hello and we cannot set time here. This will be here until I stop this program. This is forever. And the third block is think. I will show it. Yes, now these two circles come here and show that this sprite is thinking, like this. Here also we can change the message and also the time. The next block is think, and this will think forever. There is no time limit here, like this block. The next block is switch costume to. Now we have to look for its costumes. So I will switch to this costume tab. Yes. Here are some costumes for the sprite. So I will switch this costume to Devin B. Now I will show you by full screen. I will click on green flag. Yes, it has changed its costume. And by this option, it will show its next costume. As you can see here, it's coming Devin A, Devin B, Devin C and Devin D. As it's written here. There are 4 costumes for this sprite. And if I will take the forever block here, then it will forever change its costume. This is faster. I will join this block. After 1 second, it will change its costume. Okay. So the next block is switch backdrop to. So I had told about the backdrop in my previous video. Here, from here we can set our backdrop. Backdrop means stage, this background. So we can add backdrops from here or also from here. So I will take this one, blue sky. And from backdrop, I will add one more backdrop. Jurassic. Okay. Now I will code it. First I will say it to switch costume to D. No, first I will take the block, switch backdrop to backdrop Jurassic, and wait 1 second. Okay, as you can see here, the backdrop switched to Jurassic and the expression of this sprite changed. The expression or its look. The next block is next backdrop. So it will just change the backdrop like this. It is just like the next costume. This is change size by. So this block will change this sprite's size. I will show you. As it is increasing by 10, its size. As you can see here, now it is 230. When I will click it, it's getting 240. It's changing by 10. We can make it -10, and now it will be shorter. It will get shorter. And this is set size too. From this block we can directly set its size. I want 200, so I will click here. It will directly get the size 200. The next block is change color effect by 25. This is a drop down button. I will take the ghost effect. Yes, it's taking the ghost effect by 25. Now I will show you the brightness, then the pixelate, I will take it back by making it -25. Yes, I have to stop the program for taking it back. The next is mosaic effect. Yes, this is the mosaic effect. The next is whale effect. So this sprite is tilted. This is the fisheye effect. So this is about the change fisheye effect or the other effects. And this is also like this block change color effect, but here we can directly set. Means I want the ghost effect of 100, so it will directly set it to 100, or I will take 50, so it will be visible, I think. Yes, now it is somewhat visible by the ghost effect. And this is for clearing the graphic effect. So this block will clear all the graphic effect. Now this ghost effect will be cleared and this sprite will be like the previous one, means as we had taken it from the sprite lab. So the next is show and hide. I will show it. So I have taken the option hide, then the sprite will hide. I will take the option show, then it will show it. These are simple blocks. This is the next block which says go to front layer. Now when I will click here, it will remain the same because it is already on the front layer. and no other sprite is there. I will take another sprite, this beer. Okay. Now this beer is at the front layer. So I will take this sprite at the front layer. Yes, now it has come to the front layer. And if I want it to back layer, then it's going back. And the next block is go forward one layer. So we can use this for one by one layer. So if I say 2 layer, it is already at the forward, so backward. Here only one sprite is there, so only 2 layers are there, one this sprite and this is the another sprite. If I will take one more sprite, balloon, this is at the first layer. Now I will go to Devin and I will say third layer. This is at the third layer. If I say second layer, forward, now it is at the first. And if I say backward one layer, then it will go back to the balloon, but in front of this beer. And these are the 3 blocks which we can use by putting it in these circles. Means if I will take this, then these blocks can fit here. We can use these blocks by joining it to other blocks. So this was about the looks blocks in Scratch. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel for new videos like this. Thank you for watching my video.